still on the hunt for a new furniture. Yeah, for new furniture, couch set, sectional. I don't know. I never thought it's gonna be so hard. So this is our current. I know it looks so sad. This was way too big for the old house. But for this one, so grateful that I have the space right now. But I'm having issues because we had the style that we want. Well, I'm a fan of Joanne. This is her. Let me this again. I'm obsessed with her and her husband. The shows that they had, like renovation and all that stuff. So I'm pretty familiar with her work and how. I was saying before they cut me off. That's why I decided to go jump the gun and buy this book. We already know our style, our style. God, modern farmhouse, or farmhouse modern. Let me flip the book. So this is how the book looks inside. It's beautiful, like beautiful. This is gonna be one of my coffee table books after I'm done. I know I have a lot of stuff to buy and do, but yeah, with modern farmhouse. She has another names for it, but basically, we like. Well, I like leather, but I also like the simplest thing of farmhouse. Like here, she described each style. You have a lot of information. You can also see the outside and the of each house, industrial. But yeah, I really like this book. This is a glimpse on one of the books that I'm reading right now. But yeah, this is why I like this book, because you have information. Is not only images. Like, for example, I was looking a lot on Pinterest, but Pinterest, you see the picture, but you don't know what you don't know. You can identify what you like and why. For example, I love this couch. My husband doesn't like it, but I love it. So I'm gonna make my way to add some leather in the house. Maybe some throw pillows, or maybe an accent chair. I don't know. But yeah. Obsessed. We have in mind what we want when it comes to a couch, but what we have in mind, we haven't found anything yet, because what we like, most of them are out of stock, and the other ones that are available, it's way too much money to be spending on a couch. For our opinion, I don't know if you all want to spend 8, 10, 11K on a couch, you go for it. But us, we are not paying that for a couch. So yeah, that's why we are at dilemma on what to do, because we have a specific style in mind, but we cannot find anything that is in our budget. Also, and we like the style. So yeah, we're torn. We don't know. I'm going to show you some pictures of what we are looking for, to give you an idea, because I'm show you exactly what we are looking for. Hold please. Our inspiration, we saw one in Wayfair that was the perfect one, but it was out of stock because we have a huge family on both sides, so we need the big furniture. Big furniture. We need a big couch, sofa, sectional. I don't know. I've been looking for other options besides, but they are way too pricey because we will be needing 2 of them if we go for the couch. So yeah, we're torn. I haven't slept because I wasn't able to sleep yesterday. So I went to bed like 6 a.m. today. And I spend most of the night searching for sofas or couches. But nothing. You can see I haven't slept. So I think I'm going to go to bed early today. I'm going to cut today short because honestly, I don't feel my best. As you can hear, my bilingual side of the brain is gone for today. It's gone fishing. So yeah, that's what